Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carrie and today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy January 2018 GLAM bag. I'll be trying on all of the products and giving you a full honest review. So if you want to see what's in it and what I liked and didn't like, then you should keep watching. Okay, so today we are unboxing my January 2018 Ipsy package. So I'm gonna open up this lovely, glamorous pink package, and then we'll get started. Ooh. Okay, so this is the bag that it comes in. It's kind of cute. I like it. Okay. So we're gonna open this up, see what's in here. So there's a little thing. I don't know what this is. Oh, so you're supposed to fill in the blank and post it on social media and tag Ipsy in it, which I'm not gonna do, so no. Okay, and then after that, let's see what else we have in here. So we have this Pure Lease Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant, so I'll try that out today. And then we also have the Luna by Luna eyeshadow in the shade Juliet, so I'm going to unbox this. So let me just swatch this really quick. So it's a nice shimmery pinky shade. And then we also have a few more things in here. So we have this Mary Luminizer, aka the Luminizer. By the Balm Cosmetics, so it's pretty little. And I'm gonna swatch this one too. Okay, and then we have a liquid lipstick. It says Ola Neon Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Let me just open it up and find out what shade it is. Okay, this is the shade DF. Okay, and that's the swatch for the Ola Neon Velvet Liquid Lipstick. And now we've come to the last thing in the bag. So this is the Ciate London Fierce Flicks Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch this. Ooh, it's really nice. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to try is this Pure Lease Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. So my skin is already clean, so I'm going to apply a thin layer to my face, neck, and chest. I'm just going to do my face. It says a thin layer and to leave it on 10 to 15 minutes. Ooh, it is exfoliating. It has like little beads in it. Feels nice. I don't know how thin this layer is supposed to be, but we're gonna find out. It doesn't really feel like a mask. It kind of feels like a lotion with like grainy beads in it. I'm not really sure how I feel about this. It's just like rubbing into my skin. Why is it doing that? I'm not sure about this. Okay, so there is a thin layer all over my face. It's starting to like burn or tingle a little bit. So if it keeps doing that, it definitely feels like, it felt cool going on, but now it's feeling like it's getting hotter. I'm not really sure about this. I don't know if I'm gonna last the whole 10 or 15 minutes, but we'll try it. Okay, so I've had this on for like, I don't know, 3 minutes, and it's like getting really tight now. You can see that it's like drying. It's drying more white now. And the burning sensation has gone away. So I think this mask is gonna do good things. We'll see. Now the mask is completely dry. It's been on my skin for about 10 minutes. It's really tight. Like I can't smile. It kind of like feels weird. So I'm gonna go rinse this off and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just washed all of the face mask off and it feels really nice. It feels like my pores have tightened and my skin's really smooth. And it says it's supposed to detoxify and brighten skin, and I think it did exactly what it says to do, so I definitely like this one. I was not sure at first, but it gets a thumbs up for me. Now I'm gonna pop on some makeup and then we'll try on the rest of the products. Okay, so now that I have all my makeup on, we're gonna try all of these products that I got in my Ipsy bag. So the first thing I'm gonna take is this Luna by Luna eyeshadow, again in the shade Juliet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop this right here with this brush. So I'm gonna take some, just put it in the inner part of my lid. Okay, so this is showing up just a little bit, so I'm gonna spray my brush with Fix Plus this time. So I'm gonna take a little bit more and spray it. And just try that again. So let's see if it shows up more with the Fix Plus. Oh yeah, definitely. So this is a pretty shade, but it's not like the most fabulous thing on the planet. But I like it, it's pretty. I will definitely use it. Okay, and now I'm gonna blend that out with a blending brush. That's a really pretty shade. I'm gonna use that. Now I'm gonna take the Ciate, I don't know how to say this, Ciate, I don't know, London Fierce Flakes eyeliner, and I'm just gonna do a simple wing. So. Wow, I really like the way this is applying. It's really easy. Wow, I really like this. It's like the perfect consistency. It's not too liquidy. Sometimes with these, they get really liquidy and then it just like runs everywhere, but this is staying exactly where I put it. So the little tip is like nice and flexible. It's not too stiff. Sometimes with these eyeliners, like the Kat Von D tattoo liner, the thing is too stiff for me. But this is like pretty comparable to the Stila Stay All Day eyeliner, which I like a lot. That's like my favorite liquid liner. But this might be replacing it. So I'm just filling in the rest of my wing. So pretty. Okay, so this one is definitely a winner for me, and I like that it's like a full-size eyeliner. That's really cool. So now I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I'm gonna try on the Mary Luminizer. So this is the highlighter that came with it, so it's really tiny. And we'll see how well this works. And let's just do cheekbones first. Is it even showing up? I guess it's kind of showing up. It's a little glowy. I don't really see a lot of like boom highlight. Let's try this with some MAC Fix Plus. And I'm gonna put it on my nose now. It's not really doing anything for me. Okay, Let's try it on the inner corner. Okay, so it's showing up a little bit there. Maybe a little bit under the brows. Okay. I'm not really loving this highlighter. I don't think I like that one. That's a dud. Now I'm gonna try the Ola Neon Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade DF. I have high hopes for this. It's in a really big, it's like a full-size liquid lipstick. So let's try this. So I'm gonna line my lips with the lip brush first. Take some. And now let's put it on. Okay, so this is what the lipstick looks like on. It's a little patchy, but it's not too bad. I really like the shade. It feels a little bit sticky, but it's not horrible. I think I'll probably use this too, just because the shade's really pretty. I really like it. Well, final thoughts. This Mary Luminizer is kind of a dud. I don't really like it. I really like the face mask that came with this bag. The eyeshadow was pretty. It's not my favorite, but I like it. The liquid eyeliner is really great. I really like this. And the liquid lipstick, it's okay. I really like the shade. Ooh, it's drying really pretty. Okay, I changed my mind. I really like this too. So that's it for the January 2018 Ipsy Glam bag. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you would like to see next. Okay, goodbye guys.